What in the bloody name was that? I just heard 3 too loud whistles and, what?
Oh.
Who are you? Why is your face gray? Why is your running board so large?
Well,
Why is
well,
the sidewalk's design so much different than mine?
in case you couldn't tell yet, I'm Pilot U from the Dynamite pilot of 1983, and I think that it was filmed with a low budget, and that's why you see my model is a little different. The different looking side rods.
Wait.
I may look a little shorter.
Oh god, this is hilarious. Look at your bogies, they're so close together. You look like a frog with 2 legs.
Stop laughing. I I think that it was filmed with a low budget too. I think that it was filmed with a low budget. So that's why I look different to you.
Look at your bogies, they're so close together. Look at your bogies, they're so close together. It's like your bogies were glued together. Look at your sidewalks, they're so puny. Look at the wheels.
Well, at least you're not so different to me. My sunrise look different. One of my tanks or something don't have the red lining, and I may look less detailed compared to the normal model.
But you head back to the filthy holes you came from. Pilot Thomas was still fuming out what Gordon had said.
He whistled for someone, but then someone else came.
Well, look, it seems like are you having friendship troubles?
Wait, it was Oliver. Well, you're number 4. He left at Pilot Gordon and Pilot me, apparently because of our appearance, and I don't like that.
Well, listen, since you said that, hold right there. And Oliver puffed away. Time where Oliver was going.
I wonder where he's going. I don't know if he's going to just shunt me over to the Pilot Gordon. Oh hey, that's hey look, he's hey look, that's him over there.
Listen here, you little piece of pilot junk. Nobody wants you here.
But why though?
You are a piece of pieces of garbage.
We were part of the 1983 Down the Mine pilot, based off of the various stories by Reverend W. Audrey.
Well, Reverend W. Audrey wasn't expecting pieces of hot garbage models to be here.
It was successful, you know. It was successful.
No, it wasn't successful. They had to re-record the scenes.
Yeah, it was refilmed as the 25th or 6th episode of Thomas and Friends Season 1.
Yes, but they had to.
Just let me just leave me alone. Oof. Coaches. Who left their coaches here? Coaches? Who left their coaches here at the platform?
Those are my coaches, you dumb engine.
You should have warned me about them.
Well, it's too late now. Save me, coaches, and we were not being bumped about like we used to have.
He bumped me into you guys.
Oliver, is this true?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it is true.
Yes, it is, you stupid coaches. Anyways.
Don't call them that. They're your coaches.
Yes, I'm only using them to get passengers. And I'll scrap them the first chance I get.
But why though?
All they are is useless kettles. Wrong way!
So Pilot Thomas tried to decouple from him. Tried to decouple from Oliver. But it didn't work. Just let me go to Pilot Gordon at least. Just let me go to him at least. Ah.
You're going to die with me in the sea.
Ow. So Pilot Thomas tried to whistle for help, but no one was coming. So Pilot Thomas tried to pull back. He tried to pull back. Just let me go see Pilot Gordon. Please, Oliver. I don't know what I did. I did nothing. Later on, so Oliver was pushing Pilot Thomas. He was going to push him off the key. Let go. Let go.
You're dying tonight.
So Pilot Thomas's wheels slipped on the rails, but he couldn't get. But no matter what he did, he couldn't push Oliver hard enough. He didn't have the strength to do it. Oliver, you may want to look behind me.
Yes, and that's exactly what I'm going to do with you.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because I don't care about
What?
your stupid pilot.
Who doesn't like the pilot of 1983?
And Thomas is weak. And Oliver left Thomas teetering. Hold up. I have to reverse just a little bit. Oliver left Pilot Thomas teetering on the edge. Thomas to the sea. Good riddance.